and welcome to the first One Sketch Challenge of 2026. I have used the Retro Diner collection designed by Trudy Howard from Sentimentally Yours. I've used this for my main image. I've used some of the icons and I've used the sentiment from this set. This is our January sketch and this is how I have interpreted it. It is slightly different because of how the sizes I've cut things. I've had to move them across or move them up. For instance, I had to move this up to fit in my sentiment. I've interpreted these dots as embellishments. They could be buttons, of course, but I use some of the embellishments from the Retro Extras stamp set. We've got our bottle of drink and our roller boot and our record. I've just added a bit of white gel pen to that, some sparkle to this one and some gel pen to this one. I forgot to go around the edges of my paper with Distress Oxide, so that was a bit frustrating. I remembered on the image and then I managed to smudge it all, so yeah, that's not worked out great, but overall I'm quite happy with it and I think it interprets the brief quite nicely. There are a lot of us taking part in this collaboration. It's hosted by Lisa at Crafting Diva. Do please pop over to check out all the other people that have taken part. They'll be listed in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave me a thumbs up and a comment. And until next time, cheerio.